Welcome guys to another video. We're going to just be working on my dad's Jeep Cherokee. As you can see, my other Jeep Cherokee is in the background there. But we recently won these from K Cars. Check out his channel. It was super cool. I won his giveaway, and we're just going to be installing these cool Auxbeam on my dad's Cherokee, just to switch from the stock lights, which aren't very bright, to something more new like these. So yeah, let's just go ahead. It should be super simple, and I'm hoping all I'm going to need is this Phillips screwdriver. So let's get it done. Sick, we got it done. It was super easy to install. And then wait, we forgot that side. Oh wait, let's fix that one. There we go. And now we're both done. Oh yeah. And they were like the easiest lights I've ever installed. So I highly recommend them. It's just plug and play and just a few screws along the way. So let's go turn them on. Go over here, inside, pull the switchy thingy. Whoop. Shut the door. Oh yeah, they are crazy bright. Oh my goodness, the phone doesn't even want to recognize it. Yeah, so guys, that is super bright. I highly recommend them. So now let's turn them off like so, and yeah. So this is just a regular high beam with all of the lights, and then the low beam is just these three, I think. So that is a pretty cool design, and I really actually like these lights pretty good. So if you want to check them out, they're going to be in the description below. I'm pretty sure I can find a pair that are exactly like this. I got them from K Cars, so if you want to check out his channel, it'll be right there. And also, if you want to see that Jeep over there, it'll be somewhere around here too. So with that, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you subscribe. I really do. And I will see you in the next one. See ya. Whoop.